we'll guide you through how to make a spinning wheel Photopea. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, right-click the Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop or taskbar. From the menu that appears, click Open to launch the browser and wait until it finishes loading. Next, click inside the address bar, type Photopea, and press Enter on your keyboard to search. When the search results appear, select the top option, 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘, to access the official website. After the homepage loads, you will see the main Photopea interface. Click Open from Computer so you can access the image you prepared in advance. Browse to the folder where your photo is saved, click the correct file, and open it. Wait for the editing workspace to load completely. Once your photo appears on the canvas, press Ctrl+0 on your keyboard to automatically fit the canvas to your screen, making the workspace easier to view. Now you are ready to create a spinning wheel effect in Photopea. First, duplicate your photo layer by pressing Ctrl+J on your keyboard so the original image remains unchanged. Use the zoom feature to enlarge the tire area. Next, go to the filter menu at the top of the screen. From there, open the blur gallery menu and look for the spin blur option. Click spin blur to apply the effect to your image. Position the circular blur area directly over the tire you want to make appear as though it is spinning. Carefully resize and adjust the blur area until it covers almost the entire tire without affecting unnecessary parts of the image. Take your time with this adjustment because careful positioning produces the most realistic result. When you are satisfied with the effect, click the check mark to confirm and save the blur settings. Your spinning wheel effect is now complete, and you have successfully learned how to create a spinning wheel effect in Photopea.